Oh man, this is a video status update about smoked meats. If you saw my pictures up earlier on Facebook, then you know about this. Right? Some of us been eating already. It's a chicken. It's got a whole thing of green onions shoved up in with bacon shoved inside. It's got bacon all over the damn top. Smoked it all day. The meat is falling off the bone. And man, that is some delicious bird. You people that don't know about smoked meats, vegetarians excluded, school yourself. Vegetarians, consider it. Do what you choose. Hope you're jealous of that bird. It's the best way to die.